Okay, let's continue with practice problem number 7. An investor deposits 10,000 pesos in a bank account with a monthly compound interest of 2%. How much will be in the account after 12 months? So given P, 10,000 pesos, and then the R, which is the monthly interest, is 2%, equivalent to 0.02. So time 12 months. And then we are asked to obtain the amount after 12 months. So use the formula P times 1 plus R raised to N. Substitute the given data. The answer is 12,682. Number 8. A ball is dropped from a height of 10 meters. Each time it bounces, it rises to half the previous height. What height will the ball reach on the sixth bounce? So, first bounce height, A1, 10 meters. Common ratio R, 0.5. Find the sixth bounce. So, solution, we have the A6 is equal to A1 is 10 and our common ratio is 0.5, and then we have the 6. So the answer is 0.15625. Number 9. A tree produces 5 fruits in the first week and the number of fruits doubles each subsequent week. How many fruits will the tree produce in the 8th week? So we're given A1, 5 fruits. And then since it doubles, R is 2. And then we are asked to determine the 8th week number of fruits. So the formula to be used is A8 is equal to A1 R raised to 8 minus 1. A1 is 5 and R is 2. Substitute now the given data. The answer is 640 fruits. Number 10. A cell phone company subscribers grow at a rate of 5% per month. If there are 1,000 subscribers initially, how many subscribers will there be after 12 months? So we're given A1, 1,000. And there is a growth of our R is equal to 1 plus 0.05. So that is 1.05. Find the number of subscribers after the 12th month. So use the formula. A12 is equal to A1 R raised to N. And so substitute now the given data, and then you will have 1,796 subscribers. MCQ for Lesson 18, Solving Problems Involving Arithmetic and Geometric Sequences. Number 1. A company hires 5 new employees each month. If the first month had 10 employees, how many employees will there be after 8 months? Letter A, 45. Letter B, 50. Letter C, 55. Letter D, 60. Number 2. A staircase has 15 steps and the height of each step increases by 2 centimeters compared to the previous one. If the first step is 10 centimeter high, what is the height of the 15th step? Letter A, 38 centimeters. Letter B, 38.5 centimeters. Letter C, 38.2 centimeters. Letter T, 38.1 centimeters. Number 3. A cell phone plan costs 500 pesos in the first month and increases by 50 pesos each month. What will be the cost in the 12th month? Letter A, 1,000. Letter B, 1,050. C, 1,100 pesos. D, 1,150. Number 4. A bacteria doubles every 3 hours. If it starts with 500 bacteria, how many bacteria will there be after 12 hours? Letter A, 4,000. B, 8,000. C, 16,000. D, 32,000. Number 5. A person saves 100 pesos in the first week and increases the savings by 20 pesos each subsequent week. How much will they save in the 10th week? Letter A, 200 pesos. B, 300 pesos. C, 320 pesos. D, 340 pesos. Number 6. A water tank is filled with 50 liters on the first day, then 60 liters on the second, 70 liters on the third, and so on. How much water will be added on the 10th day? Letter A, 140 liters. C, B, 145 liters. C, 150 liters. D, 155 liters. Number 7. An online influencer's followers increase by 20% each month. If they start if the with 1,000 followers, how many followers will they have after 3 months? A, 1,200. B, 1,320. C, 1,440. Letter D, 1,500. Number 8. A car's value depreciates by 10% every year. If it was purchased for 800 pesos, what will be its value after 3 years? Letter A, 576,000 pesos. Letter B, 583,200 pesos. Letter C, 600,000 pesos. Letter D, 650,000 pesos. Number 9. A farmer plants trees in rows. The first row has 5 trees and its subsequent row has 3 more trees than the previous row. How many trees are in the 7th row? Letter A, 23. Letter B, 25. Letter C, 26. Letter D, 27. Number 10. A theater has 106 in the first row and 5 more seats in its subsequent row. How many seats are in the 12th row? A, 145. B, 150. C, 155. D, 160. Number 11. A savings account earns 5% interest compounded annually. If the initial deposit is 10,000 pesos, what is the amount after 3 years? A, 11,500 pesos. B, 11,576 pesos and 25 cents. Letter C, 11,750 pesos. Letter D, 12,000 pesos. Number 12. A staircase has steps that increase in width by 2 centimeters each step. If the first step is 30 centimeters wide, what is the width of the fifth step? Letter A, 58 centimeters. Letter B, 56 centimeters. Letter C, 60 centimeters. Letter D, 62 centimeters. Number 13. A cell phone company sells 1,000 units of a phone in the first month. Sales increase by 200 units each month. How many units are sold in the 6th month? A. 2,000 pesos. B. 2,200 pesos. C. 2,400 pesos. D. 2,600 pesos. Number 14. A person invests 5,000 pesos in a plan that triples in value every year. What will the investment be worth after 4 years? A. 120,000. B. 125,000. C. 135,000. D. 150,000. Number 15. A runner increases the distance by 500 meters each week. If they run 2 kilometers in the first week, how far will they run in the 10th week? A. 7.5 kilometers. B. 6.8 kilometers. C. 7 kilometers. D. 7.5 kilometers. Number 16. A population of fish in a pond triples every month. If the pond initially has 50 fish, how many fish are there after 3 months? Letter A, 450. Letter B, 400. C, 375. D, 300. Number 17. A cable TV subscription starts at 800 pesos per month and increases by 50 each year. What is the total cost for 5 years? Letter A, 22,500. B, 23,000. C, 23,500 pesos. Letter D, 24,000 pesos. Number 18. A ladder has 10 rungs. The distance between rungs increases by 1 centimeter starting from 20 centimeter. What is the distance between the 10th rung and the first? Letter A, 29 centimeter. B, 30 centimeter. C, 31 centimeter. D, 32 centimeters. Number 19. A school library buys 50 books in the first month, and each month they buy 10 more books than the previous month. How many books will they buy in the 8th month? Letter A, 110. B, 120. Letter C, 130. Letter D, 140. Number 20. A person's salary is 15,000 pesos and it increases by 5% every year. What will be the salary after 3 years? A, 16,500. B, 17,287 pesos and 50 cents. Letter C, 17,500 pesos. D, 18,000 pesos. The answer key for Lesson 18, please proceed to Lesson 19. The answer key for Lesson 17, exploring the attributes of arithmetic and geometric sequences, is as follows. Okay, so that's 1 to 10. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye!